When you are a business development in B2B or B2C, any side of, or even you are in marketing, or maybe you are a startup CEO, you often send out a lot of emails in daily basis. And what happened, you often get this thing, address not available. So you find out a lot of research, find out your email list, and now you want to send it out, and you find out 50 of them just come out, address not found. Such a waste of your time and your effort, right? And are you looking for a solution for that? Great, so you are finding the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually validate any particular email very quickly, very fast. So you don't have to see this address not found. You can check it out. If the email address is not available, you can discard it from your list, and then you can say as long as it's available, and then you will be able to send your email to make the best use of your effort to doing actually more detailed research and sending an email. You want that right? So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
To do this one, first thing what you need to do, just come to the Google and you type email checker. It's online, enter. And you do that one, and immediately you will see multiple options. I would like to suggest to go for email checker, verify email address, because there's a lot of tools available, but this one I found it quite a bit of pretty much accurate. So you go into it, and now what I need to do, like an example, if you wanted to check any valid email and also non-valid email. First of all, let's see the one invalid email. I'm going to write it down at healthrevolution.org. This is an invalid, and let's see what happened. Immediately it'll say a result is bad. The email inbox does not exist. It's actually a wrong email address. But now let's say I'm going to check it out and fix this one, and which is actually correct email address. And let's see. Immediately it shows the result is okay. So like this, all it matters to do is about when you have a long list of email, all you need to do is just go in and type in, and then it will work out. Let's try with another email address. Let's say with another domain. Let's say even Gmail it can work as well. So let's say about one of the Gmail addresses is Masood Pervez John at gmail.com, and you check it. Immediately show it's a wrong email address. But now I'm going to show you a correct one, which is, and immediately you see it's a correct email address. So like this, any email before you send it out to any particular user, all you need to do is just type it in, and you press the check button, and immediately you will know the email address is available. If it's not available, you can find another particular person in the organization, and you can send that person the email. Or if this one is correct, bingo. So that you can just go ahead and send your email and do a great business development or marketing. So take your business forward so you can bring more values of your company, of your product to more of your customers and industry professionals and companies. All the best. But here you go. There's a lot of business development tips I'm giving right now. There's another video is right here. Go ahead and click right now to learn more about B2B business development tips so you can boost your business development skill in business to business model. So, and don't forget to subscribe, because we put out every week 1 or 2 great tips like this. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you get updated. And here's the video. Go ahead and click right now.